Hi, Namaste everyone. I am Sweetie Rai and I am an astrologer from last 7 plus years, and today I am here to teach you all about palmistry. Now, before I start this palmistry course, I would like to introduce myself, how I came into this field, and what all are my expertise in occult science. So, basically, I have expertise on Vedic astrology, numerology, Vastu analysis, tarot reading, Reiki healing, pranic healing, and I have been working as an astro counselor for over 7 plus years almost. And till now, I had handled 2000 plus clients across the globe. I teach Vedic astrology, medical astrology, career astrology, relationship astrology, palmistry, numerology, vastu, and guide students to set their spiritual career. So that is the small intro for myself. Let's start the course. So this course is for the student who want to become a palm reader. Here we will be talking about what all analysis you can do through the hand, through the palm, and we will be covering from the basic till the professional level. And after this course you will be able to become a good palmist and you can start your own profession on palm analysis. So let's quickly move ahead and see what you are going to learn. So, yes, introduction to palmistry, learn about basic and major lines on palm, then major and minor lines. So, what does this major lines are and what are the role of minor lines in your palm, then what are the colors of the palm, shape of the palm, much more we will be learning, and how you can predict your future, how you can do the analysis, how you can check the person's personality, how you can check the yoke of your life success, like a vehicle, if you will be able to own your desired car, desired property, foreign settlement, foreign travel, money. So all the major aspects of life will be covered, including the basic one. So you post this course you will be able to interpret properly about these predictions. So let's quickly start with my chapters. Happy learning.